Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to replace the cabin air filter in your 2016 Toyota RAV4. So here is a new replacement filter. So we want to go ahead and pop this open. So you have to squeeze this from the left and from the right side with both hands and pull it down, and the whole thing is just gonna come down. That's how you remove that. So you also have a sort of pump, so it's just gonna act like a compressor. So here you have access to the cabin air filter door, and you have to squeeze it from the side. Just right here, you have one clip here, just like this. Then you have access to the filter itself, so you're gonna pull this out. I highly recommend vacuuming the inside first before putting the new filter in. Really messy. So I'm just dusting a little bit because I don't have a vacuum handy. Just like this. Then I'm gonna open this box. Just like this. Or just the instructions. Quick comparison, the old one and the brand new one. Difference is night and day. So there is writing on one of the sides, so I'm gonna keep this side out. Alright, then the cover, I'm gonna clean this a little bit. It's like an insert. And then the right side is gonna click into place. Yep, and that's it. Alright, so putting it back is easier. Click this into place. And yep, you're all set. Alright, so this was it on how to replace a filter on a 2016 Toyota RAV4. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.